Their Excellency Duarte Pacheco, President of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, Honorable Martin Chungong, Secretary General of the IPU, distinguished parliamentarians. On behalf of the delegation of the National Assembly of the Lao PDR, I would like to express my great honor having an opportunity to deliver a speech to the 142nd IPU Assembly under the theme, Overcoming the Pandemic Today and Building a Better Tomorrow, the Role of Parliaments, which is an important topic for us parliamentarians to discuss and address this issue. Mr. President, as we are aware that COVID-19 pandemic continues to spread widely across the world and cause more than 3.4 million deaths and nearly 168 million of confirmed cases worldwide. The outbreak poses major threats to human life, socio-economic development, as well as the stability and security in the region and in the world at large. At present, the Lao PDR has 1,822 confirmed cases. Among them, 1,133 have recovered and 2 deaths. In the midst of COVID-19 outbreak, the government of the Lao PDR anticipated the danger and implemented public health and social measures at the earliest stage, including apply lockdown in big cities of the country and travel restriction between the country, close all level of educational institutions, shut down the entertainment and hospitality services to avoid social gatherings and events, and strictly implement recommendation by the World Health Organization. The government also focuses intensively on raising public awareness through the mass media and campaigns about the danger of COVID-19 pandemic and the importance of keeping hygiene in public places. In relation to this, the government of the Lao PDR has created an information center for COVID-19 pandemic, aiming to coordinate, exchange information, cross-checking of accuracy of data, and provide information on the prevention, protection, and response to the pandemic in a timely manner. In the digital platform, the government's official website and social media provide the most accurate information and on current situation, inform public on the government's orders, guidelines and notices, as well as prevent the spread of misinformation and fake news that disturb the public order. In parallel with health measures, the government of the Lao PDR has introduced the National COVID-19 Strategic Preparedness and Response Plan 2020-2025 that harmonized with the 2030 Agenda on Sustainable Development. With regards to this plan, vaccination is one of our key priorities to create an immune community, reduce the spread of virus and the risk of severe illness from COVID-19. Since January of this year, the government has implemented a mass and nationwide COVID-19 vaccination program, which accounts for more than 580,000 people have received the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine, while more than 105,000 people completed the second dose. The government of the Lao PDR put the utmost efforts to vaccinate 22% of population by 2021, 50% by 2022, and 70% by 2023. Mr. President, the National Assembly of the Lao PDR has also established a task force team to work closely with the National Task Force Committee for Prevention, Control and Response for COVID-19 pandemic in order to ensure an effective and efficient implementation in monitoring and evaluating within the government. Members of National Assembly also play a crucial role in monitoring and overseeing the government's implementation of the law on prevention and control for communicable disease that the Ministry of Health has translated into National COVID-19 Strategic Preparedness and Response Plan in order to ensure that people could access to efficient and equitable and resilient public health facilities and services. Taking this opportunity, I would like to express our appreciation to those members of IPU and international organizations for providing technical and medical assistance to the Lao PDR in our efforts to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Since the pandemic has no borders, I would like to call upon the IPU's member parliaments to work together to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Our collective efforts are to further promote an exchange of lessons learned and best practices in the protection, prevention, and response to the pandemic. Lastly, I wish the 142nd IPU Assembly a great success and fruitful outcome. Thank you very much.